This is a very curated and focused group of individuals who are just an excellent match for anyone who's trying to make an impact with tech.
We're particularly focused at being kind of at the center of the API ecosystem. So all of the vendors and all of the partners that we really want to talk to end up coming here at some point.
So why not come to a place where the world is APIs?
We have our own thought leadership, but to see what other companies are saying, to interact with different clients and API developers, see what they're running into, what they need for future products, to kind of work with them if they have issues.
Attracting all the right customers for us who are managing something in the cloud and APIs and microservices. And the key aspect in API world is people wanted to understand how their API is performing.
These are really an emerging trend that we're seeing is companies having full teams dedicated to API creation.
We want to talk to developers on the technical side. We want to talk to architects. We want to talk to different vendors that we might be able to integrate with.
Anybody who needs to utilize APIs, anybody who needs to integrate different APIs together.
We're looking for technical and business users.
So a lot of different reasons why we're here.
Let me mention the Tesla. In our world, APIs are the center of interaction in the coming future, and that includes everything from interacting with Salesforce to interacting with your car. How can you connect your entire world in such a way that it starts to make sense?
What advice I'd give to future sponsors? One, good booth design is great. Make sure it's welcoming, that people want to come in and talk to you.
One of the things to do here is try to find a way to stand out.
Make sure that you're actually talking to the folks as they're coming by. Don't just try to sell. Have actual conversations.
Different array of people there to kind of help and talk about the different offerings that you have.
The way to get the most out of any conference like API World is to have one of your key thought leaders speaking.
And participate in the hackathons. I would also say, attend some of the social events, the receptions and parties.
And just spending time face-to-face, watching the reaction of someone when we talk about our product is probably the best value that we get out of all of these conferences.
See where folks are going with technology, and it's exciting to be a part of that conversation.
You must come to API World and talk to these people. It's amazing.
The team at API World is awesome.
They really let us be ourselves, and
that's why we do it every year.
This is definitely worth the sponsorship.
In this day and age, sharing data and APIs is increasingly important.
If you're interested in the business of APIs, then this is a great conference to come to.